Hello people, hello Africa. Welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. My name is Rufo Chifu, and today's video I'll be doing what we call in Cameroon Acompte and précompte. If you've been into some kind of tax declaration in this country, you probably have come across these words Acompte and précompte. That's French, but I'm going to be telling you what this means in English, okay? So when we say Acompte, it's an advance payment of income tax, corporation tax, or personal income tax that you pay in advance. While précompte is a tax withheld at source on certain transactions. Okay, and then we can look at who pays this, who pays the account, the taxpayer or designated customer who withholds the tax. Okay, and then the précompte is paid by the supplier, trader, or importer depending on the transaction. The calculation basis usually a percentage of monthly turnover, sales and revenue, sales revenue that you do. They calculate a percentage on that and then they withhold. Okay, and then this is usually a percentage of purchases, imports, or other qualifying transactions. Then we have treatment deducted from the final tax liability, also deducted from the final tax liability précompte, and purpose to prepay income tax throughout the year, to collect tax in advance through withholding mechanisms. Okay, so basically if you've been hearing about Acompte and précompte, this is kind of like the difference. Okay, but then let's look at this in more details. Okay, so for companies under like the actual tax regime, like regime real, generally they would withhold a 1% of their monthly turnover, and then of course they will add a 10% centime additionnel communal on the tax amount. So as you can see here, if your monthly tax turnover is 10 million, so the acompte, sur les impôts de société, is 1% of 10 million. That gives 100,000. And then you calculate the CAC, which is 10% of 100,000, which is 10,000, and your total payment will be 110,000. So what happens is every month you have to deduct this, you have to withhold this amount from your sales, and then you pay to the government. Okay, you pay to the tax, you declare it, and then you pay the tax authorities. Okay, and then this amount is accumulated during the year and credited against the company's final corporation tax when filing the annual tax return in your DSF. So this is some kind of like advance that you pay, and on a monthly basis you pay an advance to the government, and at the end of the year you are going to deduct it from your final corporation tax. So you understand? So that's what is called an account. Now a précompte on the other hand is a withholding tax credit. A précompte is a tax collected in advance through a withholding mechanism. Common examples include imports of goods for resale, certain purchases from supplier, and payment to taxpayers without a valid taxpayer identification number. So in some cases where you want to pay a supplier and the supplier is not having a valid tax identification number, NIU, you can then withhold a percentage from the supplier's amount, and then that's you pay to the government. That now is called a précompte. And there are some cases where you also before you import some goods into the country, the tax authority or the custom authorities would withhold a particular tax, and you are going to use that in your books as a précompte as well. Those are examples for précompte, withholding tax credits. Okay, and a trader imports good worth 5 million, and then the précompte, they apply 1% of the 5 million, which is 50,000 francs CFA, and the 50,000 francs CFA paid becomes a tax credit that can later be offset against the trader's final income tax liability. Okay, so whatever is retained for the year, at the end of the year you then have to offset that with your final tax liability when you want to declare your DSF. Okay, now we have accounting treatment for both cases. Acompte and précompte are normally recorded as recovery tax credit. These are recoverable tax credit and advance tax payments. And then at the end of the year, what happens? There is a final corporation tax income minus acompte paid minus précompte suffered. Then now you have your net tax payable or refundable credit, whatever be the case. Okay, so practical difference is, think of it this way, like account is tax installment paid based on your own sales or turnover. Okay, that's what you retain to pay to the tax authorities. And then précompte is tax already withheld or collected from you during purchases, imports, or other transactions. For example, if a company, Simple Supply Limited, sells gas, cooking gas, the monthly 1% tax paid on sales revenue is an account. So, guys, I just wanted you guys to know this, and if you have any questions, you can, ask me. My name is Rufo Chifu. I'm the Managing Director for TRUEWORKS Consulting, and my numbers are here. WhatsApp, call. I'm always available to answer your questions, and we can help you with business advisory consulting, accounting and tax services, training and digital solutions. If you need bookkeeping, financial reporting, DSF preparation, you can contact us. If you need business registration, startup support, business planning, compliance and strategic consulting, you can also contact us. And we also do digital training solutions for professional trainings, business capacity buildings, and so on and so forth, guys. So contact us right now, and we are going to be of great help to you. Don't go anywhere. If you watch my videos, as I always say, drop me a comment and I will do a video in response to your comments. Ask your questions, just any questions in the comment section below, and I'll do a video for that. If you're new here, make sure you click on the subscribe button, guys. A lot of you watch me without subscribing to my channel. Subscribe to the Business in Africa YouTube channel so that each time when I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified, and you can share this video to as many people as possible, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.